Hello friends, today I am going to make a piercing ear cuff. For making this I am using 20 gauge copper enameled wire and I am going to make a flower with this. Here I am showing the flower how I make this. It's very simple and easy. Just make loops with your round nose plier from the middle of the wire, and I am wrapping the one side of the wire. You can see here. Don't use both sides, just make one side of the wire to make the petals of the flower. I am making 5 petals here. It should be like this, and now I am using 26 gauge copper enamel wire for wrapping this both wire. I wrap 2 times for the first wire and then 2 times the both wire. Repeat this sequence 3 times. Now I am going to make a leaf with the long wire in this way. Then continue the wrapping in the same way 2 times. And then make another leaf in the opposite side of the first leaf with the shorter wire in the same process. And then follow the same technique to wrap the both wire. Here is my flower design. You can see here. Now I am going to make the pin of my ear cuff. Separate the wires and make a stud pin with the longer wire and make a loop with the shorter wire in front of the earring in this way. I finished the base part. I'm just cut off the extra pin, and here is my both earring stud or earring cuff. Now I'm going to make my flower colorful with these crystals. I am just going to add the red crystals in the petals of my flower and the big yellow crystal in the center of the flower. In this way, I have added the all crystals in the petals, and now I'm going to add the last crystal in the last petal, and then going to add the big yellow crystal in the center of my flower. These red crystals are of 4 mm, and in the middle of the flower I'm going to add 5 mm crystal. Cut the extra wire. You should always cut the wires in front of the earring or the design, otherwise it can hurt your ear. Now I am going to add the drop shaped green crystals in the leaves in this way. Ready to wear. You can wear it as ear cuff or a stud in both ways. Here I am wearing it as ear cuff. You can also wear it as earring stud in this way. If you like my work, please comment. So tata for now. Have a nice day.